Hello students, welcome back to my channel. As the video title suggests, this is going to be a review of the best ISC English language book you must buy. Now this video is not just an advertisement, rather it is my personal experience with this book. I purchased this book prior to my board examinations, like 3 months before my board examination, and trust me, I really got good marks in my pre-boards as well as my boards. I got 93 overall in English, and believe it or not, I practiced with this book all the formats, all the prepositions, transformation of sentences, and really I upgraded my marks. Before starting this book, just opening this book, I would like to tell you people that ISC English is one of the subjects that is compulsory to be coming in your overall percentage, and it matters a lot. You might get good marks in English literature, but getting good marks in ISC English language is difficult but not impossible. You might be impeccable at English, you might be a native speaker, but when it comes to writing, be it a comprehension, report writing, all the types of directed writing, prepositions, transformation of sentences, at this moment you might make a mistake. And I've seen a lot of people that are so flawless at English, still they are struggling with transformation of sentences. They don't know how to write, how to start with. Even the compositions are not perfect. Other subjects, you may score good marks, but language is one of the subjects, if you don't study, you will not get marks. And I know most of the students, they underestimate English. They hardly study it for around 1 hour or maybe less than that, maybe 20 minutes, and land up to really bad marks. If you practice only for 5 minutes a day, you can get great marks, like very high marks, 90 plus in your boards. Just have a look on the salient features of this book. It has the latest ISC syllabus, additional matter on composition, directed writing or report writing, and proposal writing, functional grammar, structure and usage. It has covered everything, the rules and regulations for writing English language, maybe like transformations or the rules of active passive voice, direct indirect speech, and all these which are covered in transformation of sentences. Solved specimen paper, you're getting solved specimen paper, solved and unsolved model test paper, past years question papers with answers, and comprehensive coverage of entire syllabus. Can you people just imagine? Inside this book, you're getting format of film review, statement of purpose, testimonial writing, FIR, and so much more. And you can also check it out from my description box. I've already uploaded all the videos of these headings of, the topics: directed writing, that is film review, statement of purpose, testimonial writing, proposal writing, and so on. So just start practicing this book as soon as possible after buying this, and I guarantee you that you will love this book. Let me just open it. As you can see, it is by Suchanda Sarkar. Model test papers with solved specimen papers. See, preface, you're getting guidelines for paper, composition, directed writing, report writing and proposal writing, solved specimen paper, all these model test papers you can see up till 8, and unsolved model test papers till 20, past year papers, past question papers. I must say this book is all in one. See, guidelines have been clearly mentioned in this book. It has also given you an idea how to write composition. Like, compositions are of different types. This is descriptive compositions. They have given you people an idea how to write these descriptive compositions, and if you want to choose one composition, what should it be? Should it be an argumentative, a story writing, a descriptive, and so on? Narrative composition, argumentative composition, expository compositions, that is the one word compositions. You might get only one word and you have to write anything what is in your mind. Reflective compositions, a short story. Now see this, Chapter 2 is on directed writing or report writing. It has already covered a lot of formats. Just see it. Newspaper report, full report. I mean, it is really appreciable. The article writing and so on. So I must say, see the exercises of transformation of sentences, and not only the questions, the answers have been provided here, solutions. These are the exercises of prepositions, and these exercises are all related to ISC question papers. Basically, the examiner who makes prepositions, transformation of sentences, it is all related to their perspective, or you can say that what they want to put in the examination. Everything is related. If you practice these daily, you will get great marks. Now this was all for the book. The rest you can see after buying it. Link is already in the description to purchase this book, and you will get good discount if you purchase it from my link, which is in the description box. If you people are interested in other books of Frank ISC, because Frank ISC is one of the renowned publishers, Franksons, right? You can take chemistry, biology, mathematics, physics, economics, and so on. It is also available in this series. So thank you for the video. I hope you liked it.